Why are there not more people talking about exploring London on a budget? Let's get started. Day 1. Start with a free walking tour of iconic landmarks like Buckingham Palace and the Houses of Parliament. Grab affordable bites at Borough Market. In the afternoon, discover world-famous artefacts at the British Museum. End your day with a peaceful stroll through Hyde Park. Day 2. Journey to Stonehenge and Bath. Marvel at the ancient Stonehenge monument and explore the historic Roman baths. Savour a traditional afternoon tea in Bath. Day 3. Dive into London's vibrant street art in Shoreditch and Camden. Visit the historic Tower of London. Walk across the iconic Tower Bridge. End the evening with a free performance at the Royal Opera House. Budget-friendly tips. Stay in hostels, enjoy free activities, eat at local markets, and use an Oyster card for public transport. Remember, London is full of surprises. Be open to new experiences. Call to action, like and subscribe for more travel tips. Comment your favourite budget travel tips below.